Buckle up for a jaw-dropping ride. From ice road rescues to colossal crane moves, this video is packed with extreme heavy transport action. These operators take on impossible terrain, massive loads, and high-risk maneuvers, where skill makes the difference between success and disaster. Get ready to witness a heart-pounding adventure as a giant truck braves an insanely steep slope, teetering on the edge of overturning at critical moments. This thrilling journey showcases the driver's incredible courage and skill in conquering such challenging terrain. The truck teetered on the brink, its massive weight threatening to tip at any moment. Watching this, you can't help but hold your breath. It's like watching a daredevil stunt, except it's real life, and the stakes are terrifyingly high. Just incredible control here. Schluter 950 volts and compact 850 volts take on an epic challenge, dragging a 90-centimeter fir tree across rough terrain with ease. The sheer power is jaw-dropping. It's no wonder people hesitate with used machines when you witness such raw force in action. Unbelievable. Experience the cutting-edge transport of a fully assembled Manitowoc 18,000 crane at Argentina's Loma Blanca 6 wind farm. Utilizing 36 hydraulic axle lines, this approach navigated narrow roads with precision, slashing costs and timelines while maximizing efficiency. This method also enabled the use of wider crawler cranes, offering unmatched versatility for similar projects. Whoa, talk about a disaster in the making. One moment everything's fine, and then, boom! MiG-21 crashes down during setup. That's gotta be a huge shock for everyone involved. Welty Fur took on a bold challenge, laying high-voltage cables underground at night in Rinniken. They laid underground high-voltage cables at night with a trailer built just for this. So smart and flexible. If you're looking for a marvel of eco-friendly transport, look no further than the Lees lift. It's a sustainable solution powered by water and gravity, ideal for steep terrains. This timeless design reminds us that sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Here's the deal. With a machine like the Volvo EC240B, always keep the bucket close to the cab. When you stretch it too far, you risk losing control and wasting time. Use the boom to push while moving forward. It's safer and way more effective. Trust me, it works every time. Transporting wind turbine blades in mountainous terrain comes with unique challenges: tight turns, steep grades, and limited access. But Korea TLS tackled it head-on with their custom KTB 1000 blade transport system and powerful cranes. Their ability to adapt and deliver with such precision is a game-changer for renewable energy projects. A failed wind turbine transport. Yikes. That's what happens when you cut corners on experience. A pro crew would have planned every inch of that route. Big news. The hanky-panky excavator just got the green light from the police to offload. This is where the real action begins. Let's see how they maneuver this beast into position. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Ever wonder what it's like to use a forestry tractor that can tackle it all? The Valmet Valtra 6350, with its 88.5 horsepower engine, does just that. It cuts, chops, hauls, and even drags logs with impressive ease. Its four-wheel drive system keeps it stable on the trickiest terrain, while the powerful hydraulics make quick work of heavy logs. Good equipment. If you're planning a similar operation, take a page from Thoman and Max Wild's book. They've got the right equipment and the experience to pull off something this complex. The LTM 1500-8.1 crane is a beast when it comes to lifting heavy loads, and the MB 4163 Actros SLT with Goldhofer THP 15 low loader is perfect for hauling it all away safely. Make sure to choose the right equipment for the job, because in operations like this, every detail counts. After years of witnessing machines in action, I can confidently say, what's happening at Santor Harbor is truly impressive. The power, precision, and reliability of this equipment are game changers for dredging operations. Watching the Caterpillar AP1055F paver at work is like seeing a perfectly choreographed dance of machinery. The windrow elevator glides in sync, ensuring asphalt is laid down smoothly and swiftly. It's clear the designers had efficiency and speed in mind. This tandem is a masterpiece in motion. Man, that's a wild one. A big oil truck slipping off the road in a blizzard and bulldozers pulling it out. That's the kind of crazy winter work that'll make the heart race. Glad to see it got done, even if one of them got stuck in the creek. The tundra's no joke. Unbelievable recovery. I thought they were done for, but the way they used the Bobcat to save the machine? Genius. The balance and coordination needed were insane. That's why experience matters so much in this field. In this video, we observe the relocation of the Gotthard locomotive, also known as the Crocodile, a notable engineering marvel. The locomotive is carefully transported from its previous location near the Osterwalder Tower to a new installation site in Zurich-Oerlikon, illustrating the technical challenges and meticulous planning involved in large-scale transport operations. Are you ready to roll with the best? Midland Petai Ltd, 100% Australian-owned, delivers plant and equipment trailers that combine durability and style. With a powder-coated finish that keeps you looking sharp and service that's got your back all the way, you'll be turning heads on the road. From the first inquiry to on-road assistance, Midland is all about making your journey smooth and worry-free. When the mountains call, only the brave answer. Janvier's unforgiving terrain, icy slopes, rugged paths, and brutal winters demands nothing less than mastery. Theta's Excursions rises to the challenge, transforming every perilous journey into a story of precision, resilience, and triumph. Seeing Felbermayr transport that enormous 120-ton dryer shell is absolutely jaw-dropping. The sheer size and weight of the equipment, combined with their flawless execution, make this feat truly impressive. Facing challenges with snow-covered or swampy terrains? This 4-track transporter is the solution. Its design allows for seamless navigation through the toughest environments, ensuring that nothing stands in your way. Megatrans executed a remarkable project, transporting two 189-ton pushers on the Rio Tietê in Aracatuba SP. Using a SPMT with 12 axles and 96 tires, they employed an advanced airbag system for the barge launch. This operation illustrates the precision and innovation required in heavy transport logistics. You've got to see this. Our operator takes on the ultimate challenge, unloading an excavator without a ramp. However, if you're considering such techniques, ensure you have the necessary experience and take all safety precautions to prevent accidents. When it comes to moving the heaviest loads on the planet, Schurl, Nicholas, and Kamag set the gold standard. Their SPMTs can haul an astonishing 15,000-plus tons with precision, thanks to state-of-the-art hydraulic suspension and modular adaptability. Engineered for extreme reliability, these transporters redefine what's possible in heavy logistics. Seeing the Liebherr LR1750 in action is something else. The way it maneuvers and lifts with absolute control is mesmerizing. You don't just wake up one day and do this. It takes years of experience and technical mastery. Hats off to the crew for such a fascinating experience. Watching that unfold was insane. The whole machine flipped, and he climbs out like he's clocking out for the day. That's next-level composure. Carving a path through nature's frozen grip. After relentless snowfall, the Villard Reculus Road is widened and cleared, turning an impassable route into a lifeline. Precision work like this ensures winter mobility in extreme conditions. Using a Caterpillar 345DL excavator, the operator successfully righted the sideways John Deere 740 tractor. The terrain was challenging, with a 4-foot vertical drop followed by a steep slope. It's impressive that they managed to keep the tractor on the road. Can you explain what happened? As a daily rider, it's fascinating to see the behind-the-scenes efforts that bring our subway to life. The careful transportation and assembly of these trains ensure a reliable and efficient commute on Incheon Line 2. Kudos to the dedicated teams making this possible. Ever wonder how massive loads move down the highway? The front truck pulls, while the rear truck handles braking for better control. Since braking from the rear is more effective, both trucks coordinate via CB radio to stay in sync and ensure a safe haul.
Still going.
Not the caravan.
Ну да. Я так и думал, что он передними здоровье.
That's the kind of move that separates rookies from the real pros. You can't rush it, and you sure can't force it. Controlled throttle, steady pull, and a keen eye on traction. Respect to the crew making it happen. If you're in the market for reliable heavy cargo transportation, keep an eye on the TADNPN 35. Currently undergoing thorough testing, it's poised to set new standards in the industry, ensuring your oversized hauling needs are met with confidence. Unbelievable precision, raw power, and next-level skill. That's what it takes to handle these extreme loads. Which moment blew your mind the most? Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more insane heavy transport action.